Hi hopefuls, thanks so much for coming back to the channel. So today I have a Walmart grocery pickup. I have not did a Walmart grocery pickup in a really long time. I used to take advantage of it all the time, but it seemed like I did it once or twice during the pandemic. It was hard to get a spot. Still, we're in the pandemic, but at the beginning, and then I didn't like where they weren't really substituting any your items anymore. They'll just say they don't have it in stock. So I had at least 5 items. I know the turkey sausage by Hillshire, some Red Hots. I'm trying to think what else. My apples that I like, the Swaggerty sausage, but I'll just wait till I go to Sam's to get something else that they didn't have. So I was a little disappointed at that. So let me show you what I picked up. I hope you guys have been doing great. I'm doing wonderful. What I have been doing is I have a couple of grocery hauls to share, but I probably will put this one up first just so you can hear the update. But I have been working on some things, and I'll share with you guys soon or eventually when I finish with those things. Okay guys, so this is one of the things that I've been working on, and I created a t-shirt line, and it's called Birth an Angel. So if you've been on the channel for a while, this is near and dear to my heart because we have had several miscarriages and a stillborn baby. So this was an inspiration for me even starting my channel, naming it the name that I did. And sometimes when you start something, you kind of veer off from the reason why you started. So I really didn't plan on doing this for 2021. I have something else that I'm working on, but I am so happy about this because it represents ladies and parents that have lost a baby during pregnancy and even beyond. So I am really excited to share this with you. I will have some more details later down the road, but right now, yesterday I launched the Instagram page and Facebook for it, so you can find me over there at Birth an Angel. What I love about this too is a conversation starter. So sometimes we don't want to talk about these things, and a mother that has lost a baby, they want to talk about it instead of ignore it. So I love this. Last week, I know I kind of took a time to myself, and then this week and so forth, I just feel so less stressed of having to worry about putting a video out and also, blog content on top of working on what I'm working on. So, in order to get it out in order to work on what I'm working on, I need to kind of slow down on the videos and kind of just take a break. I'm still going to do the monthly grocery haul, not hauls, but meal plan, because I promised that to you guys. But I'll be back. I'm just, working on something. So in order to grow, you have to work on other things. So anyway, y'all, let's start over here. I got some bananas. I think I'm gonna share with you a little bit what I got from Walmart, and then I had to go inside to get something, and then what I got from Michael's. You probably really don't care, but I'm sharing it anyway. And then some other health things I'm using on my big health journey. Okay, so I got some bananas. I'm gonna have to hide some of these because Cottrell and Jason love bananas, but I got this for some banana bread. Mom and I went to Big Lots the other day. I didn't haul none of that stuff. I didn't get a whole lot anyway. I went inside of Walmart because I kept forgetting to get one of these little, I don't know what these called, plant containers. I saw some really nice ones with Better Homes and Garden, and I think I'm going to get one of those. I just need to size my plant over there I got from Aldi. I also got one of these pour and feed singles. I haven't seen these before, 97 cents. Josiah and I need to go ahead and start planting our little ceiling garden, and I have not shared. It's just a little bit of stuff I got from Walmart one day. And then some plant food spikes. I got these. I did get some from Dollar Tree the other day. I didn't share that either, y'all. I've been slack. So I got some tomatoes. I got some spring mix, organic spring mix. I got some grapes. red grapes, some navel oranges. Let's see, some celery, some baby carrots. I like to make like a little tray with some dip. So that's why I got that. We needed some more eggs. I got some baby spinach, 2 things of distilled water, some melatonin. I was all out of this particular kind. And I got this Duncan Hines Epic Fruity Pebbles cake kit. Jason loves Fruity Pebbles, but this was, I wouldn't even got this. It was like featured and I saw it, and then I had to go back and look at the kit because I was like, okay, so the frosting is included because I couldn't find a coordinating frosting to go with it, so it was included. I've been teaching, or I just started teaching JJ how to cook. So that's something that I always wanted to teach my boys. I don't want them to be reliant on anyone or a lady, or I just don't want them to be reliant. I want them to be able to make things on their own. So yesterday I taught him how to make tuna fish. He likes to make tuna fish, and so it's just not tuna with mayonnaise. I like it with all the works, and I think I have a video on the channel, so everybody usually knows how to make tuna fish, but I taught him how to do that. So I wanted to always teach them. He is interested in cooking, so we have been asking him what is he interested in. He's a sophomore in high school, and he said computer editing, some things in computer. But what I love about JJ is that he is honest. He's not going to say he likes something because I think he should do that career or that thing. He'll just be honest and be like, no, I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. But I did tell him to try it. So the only thing he did perk up for was cooking. So I was like, I was going to start teaching him to cook. So maybe he'll be a chef. I don't know. We'll see. So we got some smoked ham, some turkey breast. I got 2 bread, honey wheat bread loaves. I have some in the freezer. I got some Red Baron pizza. I got 3 of them. I told JJ, don't touch these. These are for our family night. So we had a family night last Friday. I've been trying to plan these things in my planner monthly. So if you follow me on Instagram, I did mention how I brain dump everything that I want to do for that month. I got this idea from Adrian from Journal Jot and Jive. I'll put her link down below. I have mentioned her in my emails, so make sure that you are subscribed to my emails. I've been sending those out every week, so if you want to catch up with what I've been doing, I've been sending those out every single week, and it's new blog content over on the blog on Mylifefullofhope.com. So to sign up, all you have to do is just go to my blog on the sidebar. I have where you can opt in for some freebies, and really you'll be in the email list then. So Renee talks about journaling, and I love how that's what I was doing all last week. Not all last week, but part of the week, is that my thoughts and what I was going through and what I was thinking, I just journaled them out, and it's creative journaling. So I'm going to share with you what I got from Michael's. And anyway, it was her idea to do a brain dump for the entire month, and then you take those things, you highlight them: home life, money vibes, work life, and something else, self-care. You highlight them according to those things, and then I made sure I put down family night. So we watched Zootopia. I took the boys earlier that day, I think, to Dollar Tree. We got the Brim's popcorn, and then I picked up an extra one for this week. Of course, we have popcorn here anyway, but the Brim's is good. And lastly, to get moving with this haul, I got them some candy too. So this week they're probably going to make like the Oreo cake I picked up a couple of weeks ago, and then the popcorn for movie night. And I think we're going to watch the Tom and Jerry movie that's on HBO Max this Friday. Okay, y'all, so I got some buttermilk pancakes. We were out of this. I do need to make a trip to Sam's. I probably will soon. I got the 2% milk. I got 2 things of the ground beef chuck. Ground beef 80/20. I got 2 of those. Ground beef is hot. Some chicken nuggets. We were all out of that. I got some whole wheat pitas bread, so I can make like a pita, a little sandwich for myself. And then I got some potatoes, some rustic potatoes. It's the 5-pound bag. And then the big thing of the 10-pound bag of the boneless, skinless chicken breast. So I did get 2 big things of water, 2 big things of the 40-pack of water over here. I got 3 of these bins from Walmart. I had to go inside to put some of my Valentine's stuff up and some other things that I have home decor. Okay, and what I got from Michael's, I did a curbside pickup so I won't be tempted to pick up anything else. And then I just wanted to be in and out today. So with Journal Jot and Jive with Adrienne, she shares how the different techniques. I took one of her workshops the last Saturday, and I went ahead and signed up for the next one. So what I'm mentioning is not sponsored or anything, y'all. I just found it really helpful. I've been following her for years, but now I'm finally just doing it. So what I did was I did a curbside pickup, and I got some of these Tom Bow dual brush pens, and I bought some Crayola ones, but I didn't like how they wrote, so I went ahead. These are kind of pricey, but I just got these today. And then I got the Distress ink. So she uses these, and I was a little intimidated at first, but I love using these, y'all. I wanted the black and gray, but they do not have those in the store, so I'm gonna have to buy those. They're not even on Amazon available, so without spending a whole lot. So anyway, this is the only set that I don't have other than the gray and the black and 2 other ones. You can house your little mini Distress inks in these little tins. I already have one that's already full, and then I wanted some more of these mini ink blending tool applicators. I already have 2, and then I think I got mine from Amazon though. No, I got it from Michael's. And then I got the little tips, a whole refill of those. Okay, lastly, y'all, I wanted to share. I don't even know what I ended off of because Sai was having a temper tantrum. Over here, I wanted to share with you all what I was using on my wellness journey, and I came across, I think it's called Real Appeal or Rally Coach. So they have an app, but most all of this stuff is paid for or is through our health insurance. So they do carry, we have United Healthcare, but they do carry like other companies, because I had to go and pick mine, and then I had to verify my insurance and put my stuff in. So they sent a flyer to the house, and you know how when you have insurances, they sometimes want to put you on this wellness plan. They also had like something about was it mental health as well too, or something. But it was like 2 different things on there. So I was like, oh, this is neat. And I'm all for something, and they're going to give me something for free. But they are giving you so much, guys. So this is like the 4th week. And we meet online virtually, just like if it's Weight Watchers. They do like calorie counting. But I think you can go in and you can track your stuff. But I'm still doing trap bites, or I'm just trying to eat less and just mainly low carb. So they had workout plans, y'all. So they sent me a whole kit the other day, and I didn't record it, but I did take pictures, and I'll try to insert that. But they sent me this plate, and I could not wait to get this, because they were talking about it. Some people already got their kits in the mail. So this is a plate where you put your servings of your food, the vegetables, the fruit, the grains, the protein, and the fat. And then also they sent me a food scale, which I bought a food scale. And some of these things, I guess if I waited and was patient, then, because I knew this stuff was coming. But I didn't know everything that was coming, but I didn't know a food scale was coming. So they gave us this. Okay, they also gave us a blender. I used this the other day, so I probably could have waited on my Ninja, but I'm glad I got the Ninja. But anyway, I didn't realize they were going to send a blender. So this is, I love this cup, and you can just drink straight from the cups. It's the same way on the Ninja. But anyway, yeah, so I thought that was super neat. I'm trying to think what else they sent, y'all. They sent a scale, a weight scale, so it's upstairs. I'll see if I can insert a picture. And they also sent me like a cardio book, a nutrition book, and a DVD cardio set. So I've been doing those cardio. In the fitness book, they tell you when to work out, what workouts to do. The DVDs, I was like, do we even have a DVD player? But the boys have their games, that I can use it as a DVD player. But the TV that we have, it works fine. But it's an older TV. We had it at least 10 years. And so for some reason, it's not working with the HDMI cord. So anyway, what I do is I pull up my iPad, and then I go to the app, and then I can watch the videos on there. So it's really, really neat. Y'all see if you have that. I think what I did was it gave me a website. I'll see if I can find the paper, and you can check and look it up for yourself. Maybe you got it in the mail, or maybe you have it included in your insurance and you don't even know. I mean, you can at least try, because I thought it was super neat. I mean, it's like a whole plan, just like Weight Watchers or our Track Bites, with more support. They even have a one-on-one coach that you can contact if you need more support. And then they give you all of those freebies. I'm trying to think, is that all that they gave me? Oh, they gave me some exercise bands too. So, yeah. So, anyway, I talked enough, y'all. I hope you guys are doing great and staying safe and stuff. I know they're trying to open up stuff. Trying to do the most and open up stuff back up. But y'all be safe, guys. All right. Bye.